Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. Under the hood we have a 5.3 liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in a light blue. It looks great. You do have your GMC badging with your chrome accenting up front, as well as your projector style headlights right there. And coming around the side, we do have our 18-inch rims with our BF Goodrich tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back, we have a large 6-foot box. Looks great. You got the SLE badging there, as well as the Sierra and the GMC. You got your backup camera there as well. You can open this guy up. It does fall down nice and slowly. Very nice. You do have the box liner back here as well, keeping things nice and safe, and you got tons of room to store stuff. Okay, we have our keys here. We can unlock with that guy and lock with that one, as well as you got your panic button just down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks with a little bit of wood accenting here. Handle, some storage, and some more down here with a place for water bottle. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats as well. The cloth is very soft. You got the controls over the seat and the lumbar support here. And then up here we do have our controls over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel, lock and low, as well as our auto, and then our light control here, so our off, our on, our daytime running lights as well as our auto, and then your in-cabin light control here, and your trailer brake right up here. Over here we do have the control over the turning signals, as well as the windshield wipers and the high beams. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil there. Now in the center it does say our speed, but we can switch that around to our trip A and B. We also have our fuel range. We got our oil life, our tire pressure, as well as we do have our fuel economy. And then we do also have all sorts of different options with the audio, phone, navigation, settings, all sorts of different stuff in there as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options underneath it. Then you do have your horn right in the center, and you do also have your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like this. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now this is an 8-inch touchscreen display, so you do have your music here. You do also have your XM and your AM. You have your phone options just up here as well if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your navigation, or sorry, your compass just right over there. Then you also have all sorts of different options in here, your audio, OnStar, all those guys there. Then down here you do have your volume up and down with the power, radio, media, your skips, as well as your eject. Then you have your menu there. You have your CD player down here, your power up and down. You also have your AC, circulation, where it's going to blow out of, and you also have your defrost here with the heat. Then down here we do have our traction control and the light for the back. And then in the center you do have 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. You do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in just right over here. And then we also have another seat just underneath here. So it does seat 6 people all together, and you can open this up, and there is a little compartment underneath there. Then you do have a locking top layer glove box, and you do have your bottom layer right there as well. Lots of room in there. And up top you do have a sunglass holder with the lights control. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows, handle here, some storage here, here, and here. Looks great back here, very spacious, looks awesome. You do also have this guy that folds down just like this. You do have an armrest with some cup holders there, and you can also fold the seats up just like that, and you got even more room right underneath there, and you can do the same with the other side. And there's our 5.3 liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.